A passion for machine tools led to something new. Something big. A paradigm shift. Sinomeric One. We designed Sinomeric One as a digital native CNC for the work processes of the future. It revolutionizes everything that has existed so far through the seamless interaction of virtual sphere and real world.
Maximize productivity.
Sinomeric One sets standards in terms of machining speed and quality. With highest PLC and CNC performance, the CNC maximizes the productivity of machine tools. Substantial productivity improvements can be achieved, especially in complex fields such as mold making. The consistent digital workflow enables us to increase the productivity of our work processes.
Innovate faster.
Short innovation cycles and customized solutions will shape tomorrow's world. Speed and flexibility will become decisive factors. Sinomeric One optimizes engineering processes in consistent digital workflows, saving both time and money. For us, innovate faster means developing even better machines in the shortest possible amount of time.
Excite digitalization.
Machine builders benefit from the digital twin of engineering. Virtual processes become reference models for real-life actions. This makes it possible to shift a variety of tasks to the virtual sphere and shorten the time to market in the process. Digitalization is a very important topic for us at Georg because we are undergoing a transition from machine builder to process optimizer.
Discover a new way of thinking.
The digital twin creates scope for new ideas and enables new business models. Machine users benefit from the digital twin of machining. They can perform work preparation and training tasks in the virtual sphere. This cuts down the amount of time where the machine is unproductive. For FOCA, Sinomeric One means rethinking things and finding new ways to implement them. Sinomeric One. Bring ideas to life.
Siemens. Ingenuity for life.